Want to log out of your X account from all devices at once? Maybe you signed in on another phone or a public computer. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, open the X app or go to the X website and log into your account. Now tap on your profile picture in the top corner to open the menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Security and Account Access. Then choose Apps and Sessions. Here, tap on Sessions. You'll now see a list of all devices where your account is currently logged in. To log out from all other devices, tap on Log Out of All Other Sessions. Confirm the action when prompted. That's it. Your X account is now logged out from every other device except the one you're currently using. If you want extra security, you can also change your password after this. That will make sure no one can sign back in without your permission. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple social media tips. Thanks for watching.